Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. A quick way to stay in a joyous state. Essential oils are vital and great for your vibration and chakras. Remember, we have an etheric body of chakras and a physical representation of it. If you don't have a diffuser, then you must invest in one ASAP. Matter of fact, invest in a few of them. Picking up your mood is essential in raising your vibration. Essential oils are an easy way to manipulate your vibration by letting the smell overwhelm your house. When trying to stay in high spirit and keep an upbeat mood about things, essential oils can be beneficial in this task. Also, when doing chakra work, essential oils are a must to gain energy in the particular chakra you want to affect. Remember, your chakras are your emotional systems, and these essential oils are affecting your mood. A simple smell of a certain oils can uplift your spirit. My favorite is peppermint. It's a quick and easy fix to raise my vibration. Place a dab on your finger and sniff it with your nose. Instant mood changer. Keep your moods up and vibes right by investing in essential oils. You're not investing in the oil, you're investing in yourself. Dream wise.